In today's data-driven world, making sense of vast amount of information is crucial for success. That's where Tableau comes in, your ultimate partner for data analysis. Hi, I am Dipesh Vashisht. I am a Microsoft certified data professional, and along with iJaipuria, I am here to take you to an amazing visualization journey of Tableau. Tableau empowers you to unleash the power of your data and transform it to actionable insights. With its intuitive interface and powerful capabilities, Tableau helps you see and understand your data like never before. Whether you are a business analyst or a data scientist or an executive making critical decisions, Tableau enables you to explore your data with ease, uncover hidden patterns, and drive intelligent decision making. This course is divided into two main aspects. One is conceptual understanding of Tableau and another is complete hands-on practical implementation. So you will be understanding all the concepts of Tableau and data visualization, and then you will be going forward to work on your own and create a dashboard taking a real world HR analysis business case to create your own dashboard and create a compelling story. With Tableau's drag and drop functionality, it simplifies the process of creating visualizations. No complex coding or technical expertise is required. You can simply connect to your data source, choose your visualization, and let Tableau do the rest. So, if you are ready to take your data analysis skill to the next level, we've got you covered. Our hands-on Tableau training course offers a comprehensive learning experience equipping you with the knowledge and skills to leverage Tableau's full potential. So join us today and unlock the power of Tableau. Let's keep learning, and I'll see you in the course.